Note 1. Intro.
Stop what you're doing. Do you know how everything around you exists as a solid, liquid, or gas? Let's find out now.
Note 2. Introduction.
Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of states of matter. Chemistry just got a whole lot more fun, so stick with me.
Note 3. What are states of matter? Did you know everything you touch is made up of particles? Yep, solid, liquid, and gas are all about particle behavior. Note 4. Solid, the basics. In a solid, particles are packed tight. They hardly move. That's why solids keep their shape, like ice, a book, or a rock. Note 5. Solid, real-life example. Think of a chair. It doesn't change shape when you sit on it. That's solid particles holding firm. Note 6. Liquid, the basics. Liquids are different. Their particles can slide around each other, so they can flow and take the shape of their container. Note 7. Liquid, real-life example. Picture pouring water into a glass. It spreads out perfectly, right? That's because liquid particles can move. Note 8. Gas, the basics. Now gases, they're wild. Gas particles spread out as much as possible, moving super fast. No fixed shape or volume. Note 9. Gas, real-life example. Think of the air you breathe. It fills the whole room, spreading everywhere, because gas particles are constantly moving. Note 10. Particle movement comparison. Here's a surprise. Solids, liquids, and gases are all made of particles, but the way they move is what makes them different. Note 11. How do particles move? In solids, they vibrate in place. In liquids, they slide, and in gases, they move freely and fast. Note 12. Changes of state, melting. Now, what happens when a solid becomes a liquid? It melts. Heat makes solid particles move until they break free. Note 13. Changes of state, freezing. And the reverse? Freezing. Cool a liquid down, and its particles lock back into place, becoming a solid. Note 14. Changes of state, evaporation. When a liquid becomes a gas, that's called evaporation. Water turns into steam when it heats up, and particles escape. Note 15. Changes of state, condensation. And when gas cools down and turns back into a liquid, that's condensation. Think of cold water on a soda can. Note 16. Surprising fact, water. Here's a cool fact. Water is the only substance that naturally exists as a solid, liquid, and gas on Earth. Mind-blowing, right? Note 17. Quick recap. All right, let's recap. Solids keep their shape, liquids flow, and gases spread out everywhere. Plus, particles are always moving. Note 18. Why is this important? Why does this matter for your exam? Because understanding how particles behave helps explain a ton of real-life science. Note 19. Quiz challenge. Time for a quiz. Can you guess what happens when ice melts and then boils? Comment below. Let's see who's paying attention. Note 20. End with energy. Feeling smarter already? Hit that subscribe button, share this video, and get ready for more science magic. Want to master chemistry? The course link is in the description. Enroll now. Let's ace that exam.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.
I'm excited to let you know that I offer one-to-one online tuition for a variety of subjects. Whether you're looking for help with mathematics, science, physics, chemistry, biology, English, Chinese, or even Bahasa Malayu, I've got you covered. I teach students of all levels, from beginners to advanced learners, and I tailor each session to suit your individual learning style.
If you or someone you know is looking for personalized support in any of these subjects, head over to https://jerryquan.com for more information. You'll find all the details on how to book a session and get started. The link is also in the description below.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational content and tips to help you succeed in your studies. Thanks for your support. and I look forward to helping you reach your academic goals.